How to find page instant reply settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page instant reply settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and scroll down until you find settings, not settings, this one, pages, and then select your page and then just click this settings icon in the top corner and click messaging, and here we'll find that instant reply. You can turn it on if you want, and you can turn it off, and you can manage your instant reply. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.